What's going on YouTube, and thanks for coming back for another video. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, it's fall time now, which is actually a really good time to do any reseeding or new seeding for cool season grass. So today what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be taking care of two things. I'm going to be planting a brand new area, as well as filling a couple little bare spots in thin areas. So let's go ahead and take a look what I'm talking about. Alright guys, so as you can see, the grass is looking pretty good for the most part. Little thin spots here and there, and then I got to do some cleanup, which I'm going to be doing later on. But like I said, I'm between two things back here. First, just doing a little quick overseeding, filling in the thin spots, and a little couple bare spots here and there, nothing too crazy. But as you guys know, this is perennial ryegrass, like I said, which does very well in like shady areas and cool temps. But I think the main reason, I think I explained this one time in one of my videos, the main reason this whole area, I guess you can say, does very well even in the summertime is because I get a good amount of shade back here about 2 to 3 o'clock, which is the heat of the peak of the heat on that day. But my whole yard does not get great shade. I actually have this area over here, which I'm about to show you, that completely died off because of the heat. So as you can see, it completely died off, guys. Completely dead. And the main reason is because in summertime, there's like this ray of sunshine right here. It just hits this particular area. And literally from where the sun hits to where it doesn't hit, that's where it died at. That whole particular area right here always dies. This is actually the second time that happened, guys. Second year I planted the grass, I guess you can say. So what I'm going to do is over here, I'm going to plant a different grass type. I'm going to be planting tall fescue over here, and we're going to see how it holds up during this next summer, and we're going to see which is the better of the two. And on this side, guys, like I said, I'm just gonna fill in the little bare spots and thin areas, and we'll get a very good side to side comparison, which the way the grassy looks, how it does during the summertime, and stuff like that. So enough talking, let's go ahead and clean this up, get it prepared for some new seed, and let's get right into it, guys. So what I did with the grass, I went ahead and molded it all the way down to 1 inch, so I can get it really nice and open, so that the seed falls down in between the grass leaves, and because you want that good seed to soil contact, guys. All right. So over here on this section, this is basically going to be a brand new seeding area. So I'm going to go ahead and take out my little tiller that I have, that a lot of you really enjoyed watching. So I'm going to get that, till this area up, throw the seed down, and we'll cover it with some peat moss. Over here, give me a second actually. All right, so I'm going to try to, I might put like a piece of rope or something right here. I'm going to try to mark it off from here all the way down there. So this side will be ryegrass, and then this side will be tall fescue. But as you can see, I have a couple dogs. I have this one and 2 other ones, and for some weird reason, this just seems to be their route to go up to the hill and bark at people. So I'm not sure if you can tell, that literally goes right here, and they jump that and they go away on top, and they start howling at people walking by. So I know for sure I probably won't have good germination along this line. But I'm going to try my best to keep these dogs off, but they don't listen. So I know roughly around this section I might have a little trouble. Oh, sorry for the heavy breathing. I'm actually pretty tired. This tool works really great for new seeding or overseeding. It does a really good job loosening up all that soil. Because like I said, you want to make sure it's loose to get that nice seed to soil contact, and we'll get some really good germination going on. All right, guys, let's go ahead and throw that seed down, cover it up, and we'll be done. Alright guys, so before I end this video, I just want to show you guys the update on the grass. This is a little bit more than 2 weeks after, I think it's 16 days after I seeded. And as you can see, just like I expected, guys, not really too much growth right here. Very little, but these dogs just, like I said, they love running up here, and this is where these are footprints at and everything. So what I think I'm going to be doing from right here, I'm going to let the rest fill in, and this spring I think I'm going to buy some sod and then put in the sod right here. Either that, or since it'll be a smaller area, I'll get maybe like a cage or something, kind of block it off, and then throw some seed and hopefully it should grow in nice and thick. But yeah guys, as you can see, the grass is looking a little bit thicker now on this side, so it's doing pretty good. Over here, the new seeds coming in. It did take a little bit longer than expected, and that's because the first 3 days after I put this down, it was really windy. It was hard to get water on here because the sprinklers would go off. It would just shoot everywhere. So I would come home after work and come down with the water hose, manually water everything as best I could. And then after that, the temperatures, guys, just started dropping out of nowhere. I went from like the mid 60s to like the mid 50s. And as you can see right now, I'm not getting as much sun as I would like back here. There is some, but not as much as I would like. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna let this go for the rest of this year, and beginning of spring, I'm gonna go ahead and throw some more seed down. And I'm not 100% sure yet, but I might be sodding this area right here. But let me know what you guys think. You think I should sod this, or should I just cage this off somehow from the dogs and throw some seed down? Let me know in the comments below, guys. But yeah guys, that's pretty much for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.